Now I need to, we are going to run operations of LinkedList. So we first of all we need to create node class. Node class, what is node class in LinkedList? Okay, so here we can see this is the node class. Okay, here we need to create one node, and inside this we need to create one function. Here we are going to pass cells and data. Data is value. Okay, data is any value. Okay, and self dot next equals to none. Okay, so here you can see this is the first value and this is the next. This is also next and this is the next and this is the tail. This is the head. Okay, so self dot next equals to none here. You can see, and this is for linked list has a length like length of this linked list equals to 5. This is for zero length. Okay, so here here I am going to write the code for this. I need to create class equals to node. That is the length node. Here I need to define one function def the construction init constructor init. Here I am going to pass self and data the value. See here I forget to put underscore. Here I need to put column. Now I need to create self variable. Self dot value equals to here we instead of data we need to take it value. Okay, here self dot value equals to value and self dot next equals to null. Okay, now I am going to create a variable new node. New node equals to this is the object. New node equals to node for the node class. Here I am going to pass value. You can pass any number. Here I am going to pass 10. Now I want to print this. Print. Here you can see node create with value. Node create with value. Here I need to put comma and variable is new node. I need to pass here. Okay, so I need to run. This is the node create with value. This is the address node object. Now I am going to create another print. Here I need to write new node dot next. Node created with value none. Okay, for next. And here you can see node created new node dot value, new node dot next. So here I need to put node dot value. That is the print the value. so you can see this is our first node class in English. Here you can see this is the node class and this is the function, this is the value and this is the next node none. Here this is the object. We are going to call here class and print node dot value and node dot max. Okay, so this will print node dot max equals to none and here node dot value equals to 10. Okay, so value the data stored in the node and next a pointer reference to the next node in the linked list. Okay, so here you can see this is the code for node class. Node class represents single element in the linked list. Each node has value and next. Okay, so I am going to delete this because we already have this stored. Okay, now we can move second linked list class. Okay, so here we are going to create linked list class. So here this is the class for linked list link linked list. Okay, yeah, I need to put semicolons and we need to define one function and define okay bs edit. I'm going to pass self here. Okay, and after that I need to create self dot head. Self dot head equals to none. Okay, initially we don't have any value in our linked list. Okay, that's why we need to put none. After that self dot tell at the end in the end of linked list we don't have any value, so that's why we need to put here none. Okay, so length of it it's self dot length 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 equals to 0. Now we can see here let's see this class. So now we need str method in English. So here I need to create one function. One function there str. Now I'm going to pass self column here. We need to take first node. I need head as a temp node. Temp node equals to self dot head result equals to I'm going to left it in between because we need to store result here. So here I'm going to apply loop. So while temp node temp node while temp node is not none is not no, then result plus equals to str is a string. Okay, so we are going to append if temp node is not none. Okay, the pointer first pointer this is a head we put here head equals to temp. If temp is if temp is not none, if temp is not empty, then we need to store this result here. Result plus equals to in string str method and here you can see temp node dot value temp node dot value. And after that I need to apply condition if uh, temp node dot next. Temp node dot next means next next pointer from the head. Okay, it had a head index is 0, and another index 1 is called the temp dot next. Okay, so temp dot next is not none. Okay, if we have a value next pointer to the temp, then we need to append in result. So uh, result plus equals to uh, yeah, y arrow. We need to append it. This is the next pointer. If temp node dot next is not none, then we need to put arrow here. After that, we need to write again temp equals to temp node. We need to update temp node equals to now temp node equals to temp node dot next. Temp dot next will become temp node. Here now I need to write return result. Okay, so here we can see dry run of this. Here we are going to, this is the same code. Okay, here this is the function temp equals to self dot head, and this is the result we are going to apply. Here one by one. This is the while loop. If temp is not none, okay, then we are going to append the B table. And if temp dot next is not none, we are going to use arrow. Then we store temp dot node equals to we move temp node equals to temp node dot next. Here second variable. Okay, so here you can see self dot head. If we have any list next 10, 20, 30. So self dot head equals to 10. Okay, we have first value 10, and result equals to initially result equals to initially. Okay, so now our head becomes temp node. Okay, so here you can see temp node equals to self dot head. Okay, and this is the result. Initially result will be integer. Okay, so here in equation first temp node dot value equals to 10. Okay, because we have a 10 at we have value equals to 10 at head. Then in our result, initially this is empty, and after that we need to add 10 in result. Okay, so here we need to add 10. Okay, and after that result equals to 10. Okay, so here you can see temp is not none. Okay, so temp is not none because we have value 10. Then result should be add here. Okay, plus temp node dot value. So here we will add temp dot value, and after that we need to add this arrow. Here you can see this one. Temp node dot next is not none. Okay, temp dot node also not none. Then we add arrow, and result equals to temp and arrow. Move forward temp node equals to 20. Now we can temp node equals to temp node dot next. Okay, we have temp node dot next equals to 20. I mean another pointer, so it will become a temp node, new temp node. Okay, here you can see in this equation 2, temp node dot value equals to 20, and result equals to 20, and we should have result equals to 10, and this pointer arrow. Now we need to add 20 here, so this will become 20 arrow, 10 arrow 20. So temp node dot next is not none. Add again arrow. So here 10 arrow 20 arrow Okay, so move forward temp node 30. Now we move on 30. So temp node dot value equals to 30. Now result will become 10 arrow 20 arrow. We need to add that 30. Here node dot next is not next is none. Here we do not add arrow. So move forward temp node equals to 1. Now loop and our result 10 arrow array 20 arrow 30. So find output this one. Return string representation of the linked list 10, 10, 20, 30. Traverse the list from head to tail, appending each node's value and arrow by this